Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back, and welcome if you are new. I am so happy that you have stopped by my channel to check out what I'm up to. If you are a returning visitor or a subscriber, I so appreciate you always watching my videos and supporting me. So today, guys, I am participating in a collab called Styling My Way, and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. The co-hosts are Design with Emma, Angie Fortson, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Sasu Glam Style, Debbie Bubbles, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. So look, guys, I am trying to get ready for Christmas. Look at this table. But I want to bring you along with me while I try to get ready for Christmas. But I just think this tree is so pretty, this little skinny Christmas tree, and it fits in so nicely in my dining area. Okay, guys, so what I have here, let me move this chair back so you can see. Let's see, let me move you up some. Okay, that's better. Okay, so guys, what I have here is I have this glass vase that I got from Michael's. And I want to say I got this earlier this year, maybe in the spring, or did I get it last year? I might have got it in the beginning of this year. So what I like about it is that you can do different things with this glass vase. So what I have done at the bottom here is I placed some acorns, some pine cones, and I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to incorporate more green. And so I have some green ornaments on the top, and inside of here I placed a glass. So let me show you what is centered in the middle. So before, what I had in here was a candle, and I put the candle in here because I thought that it might be, sometimes I do, I put the candle in the middle so that you can see how the candle can sit up high. So, I mean, I thought about different things that I could do. For example, you could keep piling these up on the top. You could do something like that. So I thought about doing that. So that's what I have going on there. So I'm gonna put that on. Okay, guys, so I didn't like the last arrangement. Just having all ornaments down here I thought would be, you know, a better look. So let's see how that's gonna look. I think that looks better than the acorns. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and put the, you know, the greenery and the poinsettias. I'm gonna put those back in. Stems. See, I bent these stems so that they'll fit down in here kind of nicely. Spreading out my, then I'll stick these poinsettias back in. And I had another. I think that looks better. I did not like the acorns, so I think that looks better. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on my coffee table. So keep watching. Okay, guys, so I have that all placed on the coffee table. When we get to the end, to the reveal, I'll let you see how that looks. I think that looks nice. So now we're going to work on this dining room table. So I'm going to clear it. I'm going to keep this table minimally decorated. Okay, everyone, so here is the final reveal. And I like this so much better since I took the acorns out. I just think that came out really, really nice. And I love this. So these are the pillows that I picked up from Home Goods. Those are Tahari pillows. And that's my pom-pom throw that I picked up from Pottery Barn. And then these, all right, so this is the dining area. And I thought that this was really a pretty arrangement with some greenery, you know, and these crystallized picks that you all know that I love so much. And I put a few green ornaments in here. So I thought this turned out really well. So this is what I have going on here, and here's my Christmas tree, which I'm still working on it because I still have to work this ribbon, guys. You guys, thank you for watching. And if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. The hashtag is Styling My Way, and like I said, I'll be putting all of the ladies' links to their channels in the description box below. Please go by their channels. Give them some love, give them a shout out, let them know that JeanHomeDecorNMore sent you over. And if you like, you know, what you see on their channels as well as my own, please consider subscribing. And until the next video, bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving.